What's up YouTube? Today I'm going to be showing you how to create a simple lower third in After Effects. Okay, so first of all you're going to create a new project and then go to composition and create a new composition and just name it lower third and just have it 1920 by 1080 or whatever you want, and then just hit OK. And just toggle the transparency right here, so when you render it out, it can be it won't have a black background, and you could put it on top of any of your videos. And then all you're gonna do is create a new solid, and you could change the color of your solid to whatever color you want, and this will be your lower thirds color. Again, this is very simple, so I'm just gonna choose a little dark gray and then hit OK. And then I'm just going to scale it down. So about that. And now you could have your lower third come from the left to the right or from here. It doesn't matter. But as long as you know how to keyframe, which I'm going to be going over, this concept is the same. Then you're going to hit T to open the opacity, or you could also go to hit the arrow for right here and then go to opacity, and you just bring it down to around 60, 70 maybe. Yeah, 70 should be good. And you could do change it to however much you want. And I'm just going to change the size a little bit. That should be good. And then you're going to go create a new layer, new text. And then I'm just going to call it TechnoGuroo. Like so. And the size looks good. And you could also change the font to whatever you want. And just line it in the center. Now, one thing that you might notice when you keyframe it is that you're going to have to keyframe the individual text and the background together. But there's a cool thing in After Effects where you could parent one thing to another. So just grab this little swirly icon from the text and drag it onto your background or your solid. And now, as you can see, I can move it together and it's like one image. And now I want to keyframe it. So I'm just going to open this arrow. And then I'm going to use position as my keyframe. So first I'm going to bring it out here. And then hit the time icon, clock one. And then I'm going to bring it in. First, I have to bring it out here. And then I'm going to bring it in. Sorry guys. So I'll bring it in right here, and as you can see, it slides in and the text is attached to the background, but that's really slow. So I'm going to bring it in really close and zoom in a little bit too. Right here. Let's replay that. We could even make it faster. Yep. That's nice, but another cool thing in After Effects is motion blur. So you could toggle it here, and then just click the first box for each your text and your solid. And as you can see, there's motion blur, and I could even make it faster. And it just looks nice with the motion blur attached. And at around 4 seconds, I'm gonna create a new keyframe at 90, and then I'll make it fade for 2 seconds. So I'll bring this out, and as you can see, it's slow. There's not motion blur because it's not as fast. And also add another one. You could play around with this, the rotation, opacity, scale, all this. So I'll add a scale option or a keyframe, and then here I'll make it so it's really small. Oh, it didn't keyframe right. Scale. And then it just expands. And you could also have it go smaller right here. And then it kind of just shrinks and goes in the corner. And you could do all sorts of stuff with this. I'm just gonna move it closer. And you could add the duration however long you want. So all you have to do is like play around with it. See however long you want. Yeah, I think that should be good. So if you want the project file for this, I'll have it in the link in the description down below. So be sure to check that out. And if this helped you, be sure to hit the like. It really helps me out as well. And if you want to see more tutorials of After Effects and unboxings, reviews, all sorts of tech stuff, be sure to hit the subscribe button because I'm going to be rolling out a lot of videos soon. So anyway guys, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.